up and hit those notifications. Unbox it. You ready to see what's inside? Okay.
Oh, wow. Toka Explore. This month's activity is inspired by Rajasthani puppets or Kathputlis. They are the most popular form of Indian puppetry, and the art form is thousands of years old. With puppetry, kids get to learn the skill of narrating a story, building language, and conversation skills. They stimulate a child's imagination and encourage creative play. Putting a puppet theater play encourages even the quietest child to take on a role behind the scenes and build confidence in public speaking.
Now you take everything out of the box to see what's inside.
It's the instruction manual.
There's some string.
We're gonna find out what that's all for.
Yeah, more string.
I think that's the body of the puppet. Let's keep taking it out.
Yeah.
How
This
cool
just
is
the
that?
head. Got some pom-poms. Got like a red thing.
Fabric.
Fabric. Ooh, this looks cool.
Let's see what it's for. Let's take everything out.
Yeah. Got some more. Those.
Glue.
Got glue again. And we got some eyeballs. And we got a book.
Got a multicultural kids book. Div and Oli. Very cool.
So, making a string marionette puppet. First step, we're gonna cut 2 strings of twine the same length and pass it through the 4 holes as shown in the picture. We're gonna thread the paper straw pieces through the string, and then at the end of each string, we're gonna attach one of these little wooden things. So Amaya's starting to thread it through. Good job. Now you work on this one.
Okay. Almost got it.
Almost there.
Yep.
Keep going.
Here we go.
Okay, hold it. And then let's put this one through.
Wow.
That looks cool, right?
Yeah.
And now what we'll do is we're gonna glue it. Get your glue stick.
Okay. Glue stick.
Open it up. Yep, go ahead, that's fine. Squeeze it out. That's it. Put a little dot right there, and we'll glue that side down. And then do the same thing right here.
Okay.
Right there on the wood.
There we go.
All right, let's move on to step 2.
We finished step 1, everyone.
We're gonna wrap the red wool around the muzzle of the camel and stick it on. We're gonna add pom-poms on as we use glue. Now stick the googly eyes and add a couple of ears by gluing the brown shapes together and sticking it on. Go ahead and make the ears.
Can get some glue on there. Can get a little bit more. There we go. That's enough. Stick it one on.
Yep, go ahead, stick the other one on.
Next one. And that's enough glue. And then put the other one on.
Yep.
Just like that.
And now that we've got the muzzle, let's stick the ears on just like that. Okay, I'll put the glue on. You get the ears.
Okay.
Okay, get an ear.
Okay, I'm gonna get this here. Put glue right there.
Yep, you stick it just like this.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, now let's do the other side, and you do the other side.
Okay. Gotta get some glue on there. Tight. You put the other ear.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Perfect. Okay, let's put the eyes on.
Okay.
Here are the googly eyes.
They look so funny and they even move. Look.
Do look funny, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, put the eye on. There's one eye. Squish it down.
There we go.
Let's put on the other eye.
Get this side.
Squish it down.
Just like that.
Yep, now get 2 green pom-poms.
Okay.
And we're gonna follow it just like the picture.
Got 2 green pom-poms.
Put 1 green pom-pom right there.
And stick 1 right there.
And we're gonna stick 1 on this side.
And stick 1 on that side.
I think that looks the same. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks the same.
All right, let's move on to step 3.
Okay.
All right, so now that we've completed step 3, we took a long string and put it through the 2 holes in the camel's head and put on and strung it through this piece of straw, and we tied it right here. All done with step 3.
Yay.
Now in step 4, we've got 1 string tied, and now we're gonna take and make it so that both strings are equal. Stick the pom-poms and mirrors with the glue to decorate the camel's saddle cloth. Stick a ball of cotton for the hump of the camel onto its body, just like this, and then use the saddle cloth to cover the cotton ball. Stick on the tail by gluing the tail pieces together and then sticking it to the body. Okay, add some pom-poms.
Okay. Add pom-poms.
Yeah, add pom-poms.
Okay. Right there. Right there. Right there. Pink. Right there.
And now you gotta add your 2 mirrors, so add your 2 mirrors right above it. You gotta glue them down.
So like that?
Yep, a little bit lower. Nope, yep, just like right there. That'll work.
So I go in the back of it?
Yep, so you glue. Put the glue down on the saddle cloth.
Okay. One mirror. Now the other one.
Yep. That's good.
Okay. And the next mirror. There we go.
Good job. Okay, we're almost done.
Okay.
All right, so we added on the tail, we glued on the saddle cloth, and then we connected it to the popsicle stick, and now we've got a fully functioning puppet.
Now it's all done. These are the final results. Subscribe if you love it. Watch more of my videos.